Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chapman. Happy birthday, dear Chapman. Happy birthday to you.
You were born at 5:30 in the morning, so you've been 7 now for 2.5 hours.
Yay, Chapman!
2.5 hours.
Let's go get my hug, Mercy.
So you're 7 years old. 2 hours and 7 years old.
Do you know you came out of Mama's body just like that? You were looking at everyone. They were like, why isn't he crying? Something must be wrong with
right
him.
there, you little
And then
decorator.
we just looked at everybody.
You
We were
decorator.
like, what is he doing? You were fine.
Oh.
You just looked at everyone.
That's your throat.
That's totally you. And that's what he's doing right now. Yeah, that's how God made presents or what?
Yeah.
Are you?
Is that the first thing you want to do? Or let's just
Want to go
eat
pick your
stuff.
present? Pick that one over there with the bow on it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, what's that? Where in the world did you see that?
You know.
Did you choose that? Is that
That's
something you
yours. Fat
chose?
boys. You know
Yes, Sayla. You know backers. How about Allegra? You can give them.
Backers?
No.
No?
Hardware.
I don't. My present first. My present. I don't know
Okay,
where
never
those
mind.
things are. Because I know where my present
I thought y'all were doing presents. We can do scones first.
No.
Get our blood.
Present.
Oh, I didn't hear him. So why'd you say no to the one that I was saying?
No to that one first.
Okay. Well, then why don't you pick the one you want to go first?
I want him to choose. That's why I said no. I said, why don't you go choose?
Chapman, come oh my goodness.
Come see all your presents.
Let's go choose. Let's go choose.
There's only 2 to choose from.
Hey,
Really?
help me. Help me.
What's that baby
Mama.
Maritza?
Can I open?
Hello, you cute.
Can I open?
Dude.
No, he
Just
can
put a
do what
hat
he
on.
wants. He
Put a
can
hat
do
on backwards. Cheers.
it. It looks good.
It's cute.
Mama.
It's a handsome dude. Well, yeah, you gonna do your hair then?
Babe, what are you doing with that thing? Grumpy your old man? That's for your dad to wear. I agree, they do look good on you, babe.
Open a present, Chapman. Just open a present.
Boy, the guys.
Oh, sorry.
Chapman, open a
Chapman,
present.
you want me to do your hair?
I'm gonna catalog all the looks that you have, babe. I'm gonna name every single one of
Open
them.
a present.
Hey, boy.
Oh, Chaperoni, it's present time!
Here
All
you
right,
go.
Chapman, put my cowboy hat on, please.
No.
Come on, cowboy.
No.
Alright, let the boy pick.
No.
Oh, look what Addie made you last night. Look how genius she was. She made you a water balloon.
And it's fireworks.
Addie and Allegra worked so hard for your birthday,
No, you're
Chapman.
whipping it. No, that is special. It's a French chair.
Can I do your hair?
No.
Why not?
No.
Can you wear
Whoa.
a hat?
No.
Hey, hold on.
Chapman, just get a big present.
Please.
Please.
Okay. What present you opening?
Yeah. Oh, English, Mama. I don't know.
Goodness.
What is it? Face.
Bases to throw out there. Now we can play a baseball game. Nice.
Now we can
You
really.
can have a first base, Chapman, and a second, a third, and a home plate.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome, guys.
What about a pitcher's mound? That's going to be exciting. I can't wait to see it.
I shoot it. Warning laser. And it shoots up the
Look
laser.
at that cool
It shoots.
set.
It shoots. And you try to grab it and it's going on the front. Warning.
Isn't that amazing?
And what is this big one? I don't know.
Nice. Alrighty.
He's doing donuts. Make him do donuts.
You might need to go closer to it. If it go. Oh.
Hurry up! Make it keep going! Go, 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 go!
I got one of those for Christmas one year. Did I tell you that story? No. I think I got the, well, we all got some. Papa bought us remote control cars. Everybody's car went crazy fast except for this 4x4 one. It just, yeah, and I think it was mine and it just crawled. And so,
That's so sad.
I think my brothers would line their cars up so mine could climb theirs because it was one of the, I guess, like one of those trucks that went over cars. So it would just climb rocks and stuff.
Oh, that's so sad.
Oh, I think I got that. Nice.
You tricked him.
Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Scones. Homemade scones. And some Bon Mam Mam lemon curd. Yeah, it's on the stove, baby. Oh, out of battery. Yeah, you gotta get the plug in.
No.
Ready? Oh boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chapman. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Isn't that awesome? That is awesome. Can you take a
You gotta
picture?
enjoy it while
That is
it's here.
amazing.
Yay! Whoa, look at that sparkle.
It's like a firework.
These fireworks.
Yay!
I'm gonna have to tell Chapman's birth story today. Do you remember it?
Yes, you got it.
I love you.
You remember every detail?
I love you.
That's incredible. I mean, we don't remember what happened last week unless we read our daily, so it's like, you laugh at me.
I don't know, moments in time.
You remember
Wedding days and birthdays.
every detail.
Every detail.
You couldn't recall anything from our wedding.
I can recall every detail.
Oh, I can too, which is pretty awesome.
That's why you elope, have a small wedding
Yeah.
with only 8 or less people there. We had 8. We wished now we only had me and you. So
Yes. So true.
that's
So
the
true.
point.
And we do not regret that at all.
You know,
That was perfect.
in fact, we regret having as many people as we
As we did. Truth be told, folks.
I like your new sunglasses you got for your birthday. You look like a man. Birthdays are made for special events and lots of coffee.
That's how you say it.
You can put your phone back.
Well, you should have a driver more often, then you could enjoy your coffee.
Just trying to walk a mile in your shoes today. Drive a mile.
Are you being funny?
I'm your driver. You get to enjoy your coffee all the time. No. But I'm glad you think that's funny. Very rare that you think I'm funny. I'll take it.
Chapman, it's very good concentrated driving, just like the mower yesterday. You're really driving down a road, just like you were really mowing the grass. So proud of you. What a man at 7.
Gabriella, are you ready? Want to see a rooster?
Train them up in the way they should go. And when they are old, they will not depart from it.
Chapman, little farm birthday surprise. What do you think? This place is awesome. That must be their schoolhouse coming together. Oh my goodness, that is magical. Isn't that awesome? That thing lived a long life, looks like. That's amazing.
Guys, let me show you how they use it. No. I want to go to the park. There's a park here. Look at that huge tail.
All right, lead the way, Mama.
Happy birthday to Chapman.
I know.
Go to the park. I'm going to go to it. No, I'm not going to go to the park.
Wood chip.
Nice.
Oh, wait.
These are our people.
I guess just stay here and she'll need to, Hey, let's build this, Darren. Look at this. This is awesome.
Oh, this is just sweet. Beautiful.
This is awesome. We need to take a family picture here before the day's over. Because they'll be up.
What about the
The old grandma chair.
old grandma chair? Look at Dad.
Daisy said, I got a lot of people coming at me.
I know. Almost 4 months, maybe.
Little
That's
Daisy.
amazing.
That is awesome. Yes.
Kids, guess how much the cow's going to be this fall?
How much? I didn't hear.
How much?
How much?
5,000.
$5,200.
I thought it was gonna be 5.
Show Dada's face.
I thought we need 10 of them.
Yeah, right. We just need 10 to make it 5.
milk.
Yeah, right.
We can do 5.
Okay, so we're on the wait list. You know, because they don't know until they
don't know how many they're gonna have.
Yeah, so
What
they have a
number
list
are we
running.
on the list? And how much do we need to pay them to get up? You know, slip them a 20.
I'll tell her. Darren said, what number are we on the list and how much do we need to pay you to get to number 1?
Come on, guys. You got to know how to do this thing.
Are you kids excited?
Tell them we will come work the farm a whole day, all 6 kids, to at least get 1 spot up.
Yes.
All right, that's a good proposition.
Each day equals another spot. Greenbrook. I can build anything.
Well, take a picture. They literally put their posts on the concrete footers.
I'll build anything.
I looked at that and I said, HOMELAND, just get measures. You do a takeoff.
You don't even need to do measures. It's because you design it how you
I'll build it. Who's buying the wood?
Can you check the kids?
I'll build it.
Darren was going to.
Check what?
Can you check?
Oh, I'll
Can you
go.
go look at
No,
them?
okay. Look at that house name. You see it?
Liberty, happiness.
I didn't see them all. That is amazing. I mean, how many acres do you think this is? You need to ask her. I'm telling you, 14, Monica, we can do anything. Free, folks. Home to those who are brave enough to fight for their freedom.
Yeah, it's over 23 acres. Here, look.
Watch my truck. Well, there. And there.
But then you keep them forever.
I want those. Watch my truck.
They don't fall apart like this.
Oh my word. I'm gonna have to get these every year. That is not good.
Did you put a pair in the cart for me?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. You did? What kind? Quick.
I put a
Quick. Oh, yeah.
I put something else in the cart for you.
Uh-huh.
Not on Muck's website.
Wow.
You can go log on my phone.
Okay,
On
move, guys.
J&M's website.
Oh, those?
Watch, guys.
The fur ones?
No, they have different ones. But they still have fur.
Watch. Move,
No,
guys.
the ones that I gave
Watch,
your dad.
Mama.
They're
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Salem, yay!
Oh.
Gabriella, yay!
All right, let's feed some animals.
What did I use for then? What do turkeys do?
What do they do?
Look like they
They
were
walk
coming
around.
at you.
I know.
This is Peter.
Oh my goodness.
Peter Rabbit. Look, it's Peter.
Come here, Gabriella.
You know when Mama reads you the Peter Rabbit book?
So I have one of my sisters are getting you guys the 4 food buckets. So I wrote it down in just a minute.
Thank you.
Yep.
Feel how soft he is. Isn't that awesome? Look at his big ears. Oh. You can pet him.
Hey, sweetie. I want to go down to the pool.
Feel how soft he is? You can go at it. Like right here. Welcome to go.
Yeah, look
You all
around.
know how to approach.
So just one quick thing.
Salem.
The white turkeys.
Yeah.
Watch out for those guys. They can be a little bit ornery.
Okay.
The brown one is totally fine. We've
Okay.
never had any problems with him, and he's very sweet. There's a honeybee on you, by the way,
Me?
on your arm, other arm. He just flew off. But he's
Oh,
circling
I
around
hear
up
him.
there.
Yes,
Yeah.
I hear him.
So he's on you now.
Yes, those turkeys, they were
Yeah.
The donkey's coming to
And
rescue
then,
us.
The emus.
emus.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him back and I'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you for bringing that little bunny. Big bunny.
I want to jump out speed. Get loose.
Peter
We
Rabbit.
won't see him again.
Oh,
Thank
man.
you. Oh my
Probably
goodness.
not.
Well, thank you
So,
for bringing him out for them to pet.
He's Dory. Oh my goodness. This is what. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey guys, you all know how to.
Yeah.
You have to be calm.
Yeah, you don't.
You have to be calm. So that they will be.
Watch Gabriella, baby.
It's okay, guys. Mama, every time you
Hey,
do
babe.
that, you step out.
Just keep an eye on Gabriella.
I am. I just
Okay.
understand
Can
that.
I go to
It's that little ornery turkey thing. This bee.
Seeing that she's on your level.
Hello, sir. Hello.
I'm going to get in a fight with a turkey.
Yeah, I think so.
Stop it. I need a staff.
I'm sorry.
Chapman, don't run. You don't have to run. You want to stay calm. Like, hey, Allegra, get down, please. Thank you. Gabriella.
Tried to go see this place for a month. I think it's 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
I don't know. It's been canceled like 3 times, but now she says she can come, and it's Chapman's birthday. But I don't think we've ever done a real estate showing on a 4-wheeler.
Well, I was doing a real estate deal when he was coming out, so this is fitting.
Yeah, sure enough. I guess so.
That's right.
So we get a little date.
Under contract. We did that thing.
There's no sacred time in real estate. Nope. Birthdays.
Nope.
Literal birthdays. Nope. Anniversaries.
Nope.
Nothing.
Nope.
It's so beautiful today.
Here we are. Our house hunting is very interesting. For someone who's never had a home together, rooted home. We've had homes, we've lived in amazing places, but we've never been rooted in a home. And these are the showings we're going on.
Darren should know. I mean, I'm like, this is true love.
Oh man. No white picket fences around here, huh?
No.
Oh,
even
boy.
Like, yeah, no. This is literally find the most dilapidated, most overgrown, most abandoned shell
We're looking
with
for
some
home.
land.
We're looking for home, people.
Hey, you can take the most dilapidated, overgrown, abandoned place, and that's what you're there for, to restore, revive, redeem the land. All of creation is waiting for us to rise up and do this, and all the places that we can go in and take dominion.
So here we are.
Take it over. I hear a car.
This is place number 2. We call this place the
Liberty Cottage.
All right. Liberty Cottage. I like that.
That's what I called it.
And this is about what liberty looks like, folks, right now in our nation.
That's what it looked like 200 years ago when you think about it.
Hasn't been tended to in a while. But this might or might not be it. We'll find out.
There is no particle board or drywall, anything like that. It's solid wood everywhere.
Is it possible
So-
to get in?
I don't think so. Yeah, so I found out that my mother-in-law changed the lock on it and didn't give us a lock.
Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah, so let's move on. But my goal, and that's kind of what sent her off the deep end, when we decided we'd like to, go inside. Which I can tell.
Well, we did find a way on the porch. We found the front door. We could open it. Front door was open.
Oh no, are you kidding me?
No, very serious. Things were blocking it. What stands behind the front door, you ask?
Junk.
Are you able to get
Shall we have a look
What's
inside?
behind door number 1?
Yeah, you know what?
That's the front door? That's like the house inside?
No.
Guys, I think Monica is going to fire me from taking her on showings. That was pretty awesome. Because you know what I hear? I'll tell you what I hear later. I don't want to ruin it. Alright. That's where that pokey print is gonna hug you.
Okay, so that's where you went in?
Yeah, but there it's padlocked.
Well, there's the dryer vent, so that's where the little mud room was. We had a utility sink in there, washer, dryer. It was a rolling dishwasher.
Oh boy. Monica called this the Liberty Cottage, folks.
Walk down here. This is probably goes back a little ways that way, so there are some trees on it. It's about 7. I think the pasture was like 2 acres, and I'm doing this off the top of my head. I want to think that the house sits on a little one lot, and I think they bought like 5 extra acres around it. So it goes down. I always call it that. It goes down to his driveway on that side, and then there's a ways back. Exactly, but a ways back. Yeah, I thought we were too. Good catch. You are. That's amazing. I mean, look how high that thing is. It's not even flapping its wings. It's just coasting.
Yeah.
That is. Yeah, look at this. Its tail. It's unbelievable.
Can't get it.
Yeah.
There it is.
First time I heard that call, I was like, is that an eagle? Because it didn't seem quite right for a hawk.
That
Crazy.
is wild. That flew over us this week. Just back there. Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. Back right before I moved out of here, we had some baby ducks.
There's potential, folks. There's potential. And a nice little pasture.
Yeah, but the worst part was I startled it and it flew off and it never came back. I was like, well, that was a waste of this. Like, yeah, exactly. Then you're like, what a waste. Yeah, thanks. I mean, it's so bright. It doesn't even look like the moon. It looks like the sun.
It is beautiful. Yeah. In this picture, it looks like the sun coming up. Look at the blue, purple, and pink.
Exactly.
Gabriella?
You want some cake?
Yes.
Well,
no, I want to cut it.
Oh, you made a C.
Yeah.
Chapman, Addie,
Addie.
who all helped with the cake? Chapman, Addie, and Allegra?
No.
Chapman, Addie, you guys did awesome. Whoa, be careful with that knife.
I made him a C as a person. I get it.
Nice job.
Here, I'll take a picture. Leave the 7 in there real quick.
Mama didn't touch one bit of the bacon.
I didn't do any of this.
Good job.
Oh, that's the best cake I've ever. I'm gonna new technique for the
Behind the
icing,
scenes
Mama.
of photo taking.
So you whip the cream with the vanilla until it's...
You make this all on your own. Both of you. What kind of vanilla?
Vanilla cake with carrots.
And is that what you wanted, Chapman? Okay.
No!
Good job. He said Chapman. Nice.
You want cake, Gabriella? All right, cut Gabriella.
Okay,
cake.
open you. Start from the
Beautiful.
Okay. Yes, 3.
Okay.
So we'll get good day, boy.
Very small.
Chat,
Nope,
chat.
nope, nope. Very, nope, too big.
How
Very
small?
There we go.
This is not even a triangle.
Is this for Gabs?
Yep.
This is mommy means. This is how
for
we
Gabs.
do.
You got it in the icing.
Cut that side again. Yeah, very good.
Birthday boy. This is for the
Chapman's
birthday
like a
boy.
dad at vanilla cake.
Chat.
That
All
is
right, Mimi, can you bring
beautiful.
us-
Birthday boy. I keep saying. You want your cake, guys?
It's for you, Gabs.
I want everyone.
The birthday boy, you made it. Not that big. That is too big.
This is dad.
No, a little smaller. That I won't want it that big.
That is not that much of a sweet guy. Chapman. That's Chapman. I didn't put enough in the middle. Yes, you did. We got a ton. These are the funnest sprinkles I've ever smelled.
You didn't see it. It's okay.
Nice.
I'll eat that. I'll eat that all. Please, can I? I've changed my mind 20 times. I'm getting all that. I get a lot. Oh my goodness.
What do you think, Salem? Is it delicious?
He loves it. He loves it.
What do you think, baby? What do you think?
That's too small.
You want some?
I'm
You want some cake?
trying to do a different
Yeah.
We don't want any birthday cake. I'm cutting yours. No, I'm cutting mine. No, that's yours.
He's a birthday boy. Let him do it.
That's yours.
Delicious.
I'm gonna do it. You don't even have your. I want.
Chapman.
Good job.